Hello students, I welcome everyone to the class 9 mathematics chapter 3 coordinate geometry introduction part 1. Students, today we are going to see a new chapter coordinate geometry. We have already studied how to locate a point on a number line and also know how to describe the position of a point on the line. There are many other situations in which to find a point we are required to describe its position with reference to more than one line. Founder of coordinate geometry. This study was initially developed by French philosopher and mathematician René Descartes. René Descartes, the great French mathematician of the 17th century, that is 1596 to 1650. One day when resting in bed, he solved the problem of describing the position of a point in a plane. His method was a development of the older idea of latitude and longitude. In honor of Descartes, the system used for describing the position of a point in a plane is known as Cartesian system. First, we'll see what is coordinate geometry. A system of geometry where the position of a points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. Coordinate plane. It has two scales, one running across the plane called x-axis and another a right angles to it called y-axis. The point where meet each other or the axis cross is called the origin and where both x and y are 0. Types of axis. There are two types of axis. One is x-axis and the other is y-axis. X-axis, the horizontal axis is called x-axis. X point is called abscissa. Y-axis, the vertical axis is called y-axis. Y coordinate is called ordinate. In the graph, x-axis values to the right are positive and those to the left are negative. Y-axis values above the origin are positive and those below are negative. Quadrant. There are four quadrants in the graph. First quadrant, both x and y, it is in plus. Second quadrant, x value in minus and y value is in plus. Third quadrant, both x and y, it is in minus. Then fourth quadrant, x value it is in plus and y value is in minus. Abscissa. The abscissa is the x-coordinate of a point on the coordinate plane, the distance along the horizontal axis. The distance of a point from the y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa. Ordinate. The y-coordinate of a point on the coordinate plane. Its distance from the x-axis measured parallel to the y-axis. The distance of the point from the x-axis is called its y-coordinate or ordinate. Thank you students. I hope you understand this session.